Okay, y'all, welcome back to another video. I know I said I was gonna do FNAF, but I truly don't want to do FNAF right now. My friend hasn't got to me yet back. So I will be doing, we are doing, uh, so basically we are doing Rainbow Friends. I used to done this all the time on my old channel, but yeah, you know how it goes. Just saying, like and subscribe. I am getting to my goal of 100 subs right now. I'm trying to reach higher than 100 subs this year, but I'm trying to get to 100 subs before my school year ends. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do more Rainbow Friends, actually, speaking of Rainbow Friends, I will be doing part 1, part 2, part 3, and a part 4. So yeah. If you truly want to see me do this, go ahead, like and subscribe, comment down below. Right now we are just running through a forest, and now we have this guy again. I don't like this guy. Blasted security measures, he says. Don't like how he jumps. What in the world are you doing out here? I'm gonna turn my volume. Monsters, you say? Question mark. I'm sure it's just your imagination, sir. I'm pretty sure it's not in our imaginations. Here, why don't you all help me find the SOS? Like, every theme park has one. Well, yeah, of course every park has one. Why wouldn't they? Security room. Don't enter. Oh no. What is this guy? Oh no, 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 no. Don't you dare press that red button. He pressed the red button. Okay, there's green, there's blue. I don't care, broski. But yeah, this is part 1 of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Basically, I will be doing a bunch of parts to this video. Also, look at the fit. It's so beautiful, I know. I can't get over these littles. I can't. Okay. Sheesh. I can't get over. Okay, that's not too good. Oh, well, there's blue already. Oh. I don't think he knows where I'm at. How did he not get me? Craft was found. Oh no. Oh no, he was already found. Not good at all. We have 1 out of a bunch. Oh my god, people, stop taking out. Hopefully blue does not come down. Huh? Okay, I don't know how blue did not just see me. He saw me and he ran at me. He sucks at getting me. I hate being small sometimes, but I don't even know where blue is. Found him. I'm gonna slowly come up behind him. I don't want to get noticed, but yep, caught it. How did he not see me there? I'm glitched. I'm glitched. I'm glitched in the map. Okay. Yeah. That could easily ended horribly bad. Black and yellow. He's not even in here, buddy. I feel like he was gonna be around that. What? I'm glitched again. Okay, so basically, am I just on glitch out the whole time? Because that's weird. I don't know why these people are hiding. Probably gonna find out really soon why people are hiding. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. I hear blue. I hear blue, but I don't see. Oh, never mind. I see him. I see him clear as daylight. Nobody really comes over here. You can't see me while I'm crouched. Also, if you ever go in this lake, he cannot see you if you crouch. So just make sure you're always crouched, okay? I don't see one anywhere, pretty much. I truly don't see any. I have two, but I don't see any more. I mean, I'm not complaining, but, like, at least I could try to find more. There's 17 light bulbs that have been found, but I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate being this size. This size on Rainbow Friends makes it so hard. Okay, there we go. I haven't been this way. I truly don't know if I want to go this way. I don't know why people are crouching so much. I mean. Hey, Blue. How's it going down there? I'm gonna make sure he doesn't come my way, because if he does, I'm hiding. Why green? Green's right there. I can't. Oh my. I can drop. I thought I saw one down here. Leave a comment if you guys saw one down. He's running right at me. He lost me. He lost me. Good. My size does not give me the advantage. But I can't get up there. That's gonna become a problem, probably. That's gonna eventually become a problem, but for now, that's for future. Just run. I'm just running. I see blue. Okay, we got the distress lights up. Why is his face, bruh? Hey, did anyone see a blue? Blah blah blah. Wait, there was actually an SOL light. I mean, wow, you guys must be good at finding things. Well, yeah, I'm the best. I'm so good at finding stuff. And of course, there's only 4 of us. Is that blue? Oh no! Come on, coming here was a mistake. We need to find a way out of here fast. Alright, girl, stop doing that. Maybe this can help us buzz out of here. Pause. Oh, I hate this guy so much. Look who decided to show up late to the party. I'm surprised he got over his stage fright. Bro, he's always stayed. There's only 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of us actually. 1, 2. There's only 4 of us. I don't know. Where? Oh my god, that scares me. Oh, I'm just probably right now. He doesn't see me. Box. Go. I gotta keep a watch out for him though. See one. Quickly snag it. Nah, I hear him. I don't know where he is at, but I hear him. I got 2 of them. We're not doing too bad. But I haven't seen blue. I only saw green in there. I was like, is this where I separate from this person? Nothing over here. Oh no. I don't know where I don't know where Kiku was at. Bro's dead. How did he survive that? I didn't think I could get any small. Okay, I'm in blue's territory right now, so not the best, but whatever. If I really want to break the record here. Oh, yep, I heard blue coming. It's good when you can hear him because he can't just come out of nowhere and scare you. Because that's what happened to me before, but you know what? It's all good. It's all good. I don't. Oh, yellow. Why did yellow go right where I was going? I'm praying yellow does not see me. I don't like how he did that. Take your items back. The laser. Take place. Oh, not good. There's only 2 of us. I swear, am I about to do this by myself? I better not have to do this all by myself. So whoever this guy is, don't die. I'm seriously not trying to do this all by myself, and even though this would be so much more entertainment for y'all, but I'm not trying to die. Like, personally, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. No. Oh, right. We haven't checked on him. I keep on glitching through a lot. I mean, it's because of my size. I'm strong. What? What? No. Well, we died, y'all. I don't know how I died, but I died. I'm not paying Robux. So yeah. We'll try again later. But I wasn't really playing this game for that long. We will be doing a bunch of other games, probably like sniping game, like Rivals, Doors. Probably I want to find an interesting game for y'all. Probably Terminal 13 and Maybe Pass or Die. Pass or Die is a good game. Yeah, or Dead Rails, or Shrek in the Backrooms, or Headshot. Trigger. I'm gonna check that out though probably later. Actually there is another game that I see. Probably The Worst Trick Dad. That one was interesting. I played that before. Yeah, just to like and subscribe, y'all. It means a lot to me. Have a great day and bye.